Welcome back to Foodie Chronicles. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do where to subscribe. So in this video, let's try out Ruth Kadiri's jollof rice recipe. Watch to the end and make sure to subscribe. Click on that like button.
Watch this video attentively to be able to make the perfect pot of jollof. Making great jollof rice is super easy. You just have to follow some tips and tricks. First off, add some vegetable oil into a pot and add in some onions. If you are using ginger and garlic, this is the best time to add it also. Add in your curry, thyme and some bay leaves at this point. Fry all of them together to release flavor. Now, the quality of your tomato paste matters a lot in your jollof rice. You want to use a bright colored paste for a vibrant looking jollof rice. I love to combine these two because they tick the box. Please ensure you are frying your tomato paste for at least 7 to 10 minutes. Fry it. Fry your tomato paste, else it will make your food taste sour. Fry it. Then you add in your pepper mix and also fry it until the oil comes afloat. Okay, add your jollof spices of choice and some seasoning and salt. At this point, you add in your washed rice. Now, I would like to state that there's absolutely no need to parboil your rice before cooking. No need, really. Wash your rice till the water is super clear and just add it into your jollof base. Mix this till every grain of the rice is fully coated in the base and add in some stock and water. Please don't put a lot of water. You don't need too much water in your jollof rice. Cover this to cook, and 7 minutes into the cooking process, you'd want to lift it and flip as I'm doing here. This is to ensure that your rice cooks evenly from top to bottom. Repeat this process like twice to get a perfectly cooked rice. Please resist every urge to continuously add water into your rice while cooking. Just cover your rice to cook in steam even when the initial water has been absorbed. I hope you learned something here today. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.